Hey, so in this video I'll be making a mobile contacts app, but this is not a tutorial. It's a bit different. So let's see if you like it.
Alright guys, so first let's make a list of the functions we'll add or need in the mobile contact app. Okay, so first we should be able to add new contacts, and obviously we should be able to delete a contact. Then we should be able to update contact. And what else? Add, delete, update. Let's just keep it simple. uh, just add these three features in our app. So let's first make a new project, and now it will be a time lapse. So
So we have add a new contact function to our app. Um, so basically what we are doing is we created, I created, I created a contact class where there are two properties, name and numbers. Okay, so and in the another class, mobile class, we are making a list which will store all the contacts. So basically there's a list, and in the list there are several contacts, and in the contacts there are two fields, name and number. Makes sense? Okay, so whenever add new contact is called, basically the function needs two arguments or parameters. So we have to pass name and number, which will go into the list and create a contact with those name and numbers. Make sense? Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, so now I have added the delete function, so which takes us name, just name, and it will find whether the contact with that name exists in the list, right? And if it exists, it will find its number, its position, or as we call index, and it will remove it from the list. So So now we have implemented the update function, which takes two arguments or parameters. First name, second the new number, which need to change or update with that name. So same as delete function, it will find whether the name exists in the list or not. And if it does, it will find that contact and change its number, basically. Simple as that. With that, our main functions, main three functions are over. But we might wanna add a find function because we don't want the user to, you know, always see the whole list of contact. It will find a name. It will give a name, and the program should give him the number associated or number of that contact. Yeah, right. So we'll do that, and of course we will implement a GUI or way to access the functionality easily. And so let's do that Alright guys, now I think I have the app I can end this video on. So basically how user can use it, by pressing 1 he can add a new contact, by pressing 2 he can delete a contact, by pressing 3 he can update a contact, and by pressing 4 he can find a contact, and by pressing 5 he can see the list of the contact, and by pressing 0 he'll end his contact, destroy his contact list basically. Basically by pressing 0 we can end the program, right? So that's it for today. Let's test this one, right? Alright, so that is it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, share it with your friends. Just that. Bye.